Masquerade saying, Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel, Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki tanka ukuya neno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chingwagara, subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmure Zimbabwe tamigrain buditswa nebatore Citizens Coalition for Change. Iyo make a decision on a move yekuti vodzosa Nelson Chamisa mu political party awere kana kuti so kutaura kwatiri kuita zvirunzi they have closed the chapter ya Nelson Chamisa. So hanzi vabuditsa a bold statement vachitaura vachiti lives going on without Nelson Chamisa. Vachitaura ivo vachiti they have moved forward without their former presidential candidate Nelson Chamisa. So in a dramatic turn of events, the CCC had decided to distance from Chamisa. Uyo anga akamira say a symbol of hope and change for Zimbabweans akati one day. So this decision yabuda mushure mekuye pana speculations ari kutenderera the future Citizens Coalition for Change takatasani direction and leadership yacho ma insiders ari mukati akati one day ari kusuggesta kuti this move yanga iri inevitable and nekuti party iri kusika kuredefine its strategy and identity in the face ma political dynamics ayo ari kuti chinjei. So kutaura kwatiriuisa zvichizikanwa kunzi this political party CCC chabudirira here isina Nelson Chamisa kana kuti yabuditswa the Zimbabwean Mail vachitaura ivo vachiti the Citizens Coalition for Change CCC has made a definitive move signaling a shift in the political landscape by closing the chapter on its former leader Nelson Chamisa. The bold statement, "Life goes on without Nelson," featured prominently in today's edition of the Daily News, indicating a clear intention from the CCC to move forward without their former presidential candidate. In a dramatic turn of events, the CCC has decided to distance itself from Chamisa, who once stood as a symbol of hope and change for many Zimbabweans. The decision comes amidst growing speculation about the party's future, direction and leadership, with many insiders suggesting that the move was inevitable as the party seeks to redefine its identity and strategy in the face of evolving political dynamics. The CCC statement underscores their resolve to move forward and focus on building the party's future without the leadership of Chamisa. This comes at a time when the party is gearing up for the next phase of its political journey, with new leadership and strategies expected to be unveiled soon. Meanwhile, as the political dust settles, citizens and political analysts alike are left to ponder the implications of this significant shift within CCC. Will this party's decision to part ways with Chamisa strengthen or weaken its position in the political arena? Only time will tell as the CCC navigates this new chapter in its history. In related news, the government has been urged to honor its commitments, as highlighted in another front-page story, reinforcing the need for accountability and transparency in governance. As the country braces for more political developments, the eyes of the nation remain fixed on the CCC and its next steps, marking the end of an era and the beginning of a new era. Nyaya buditswa ne Zimbabwean Mail muri Zimbabwe tingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Taura kwatiri kuita the former military intelligence officer Neva Masquerade say vakabuda vachitaura vachiti the Citizens Coalition for Change founding member Nelson Chamisa vanodeserva kucriticizwa just like any other leader ari kusika a public office. Vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti President Nelson vachitaura vachiti Nelson Chamisa akavhoterwa nevanhu 2 million avo vaakazongoabandona achienda to a prayer mountain. Taura yachiti akafanana baba vanosiya imba yechitsva vodzoka vachibvunza vana kuti moto wozodzimurwa here apa imba yatopera kutsva. Vakataura ivo vachiti kana Jesu chaiye akakritisizwa what more Nelson Chamisa Gabuda on his ex-handle Stara Iwo Vachete. Chamisa is a politician that sought public office and was voted for by 2 million people whom he abandoned and went to the mountains to pray. He is like a father that left the house burning only to come back later asking vana kuti mazodzimura ere moto vanangu imba yatopera kutsva. He says. He adds that if Jesus Christ was criticized, what more a mere human being like Chamisa? Every politician that seeks power to govern the public is criticized. There is no holier than thou, and make no mistakes about that. If Jesus himself was criticized as demon-possessed, how more anointed is Chamisa that he should not be criticized? You guys need to mature, really. Those are Buddha Stauro. Never. Masquera say for my military intelligence officer azvinomira mushe hapana ruziya kuti vanelson Chamisa vakarongei what is his next move in terms of politics. Masupporters vanelson Chamisa havasi kuziva zvakare the next part ida kutorwa navachamisa kuti vatiri kuita vachamisa is saying zvinhu zvichafamba saying kuti his new government ichapinda manje but soon after the SADC summit yanga yakapinda muhawks nemazimbabweans mazhinji hapana chati chabuda murezimbabwe. Akabuda mazuva apfuura Nelson Chamisa achipromisa mazimbabweans kuti new leaders for Zimbabwe are coming. Akabuda achiti Zimbabwe is under rebirth and construction. In the spiritual realm, the shift is almost complete. Zimbabwe will change in no time and its leader will work in unison and from a united front. The country will grow fast, the economy will grow strong. Development will be everywhere, not for specific regions. Zimbabwe shall be a good devoid for unhealthy slogans, useless and profitless partisan rallies, political fights and political stalemates. A country where corruption is shunned and not tolerated. A country with a lean and mean progressive leadership. A country with leaders who are hooked up to each other. A country where citizens are respected, protected, heard and supported by government. A country with leaders who hear from God. I declare Zimbabwe a nation of peace, hospitality, freedom and politeness and prosperity. Zvabuda zvitaurwa naNelson Chamisa vachipromisa new leadership muZimbabwe. Sikaziva kunyanya sei nyaya yetudziro zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section kuti is Nelson Chamisa going to form a new party uyezve is CCC going to be strong or weak nekuklosa door kwavaita for Nelson Chamisa. Tudziro zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.